Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to get link of any particular photo or video in your Instagram on your Android device. If you want to copy any link of photo or video, just you want to open that particular photo or the video. After this guys, on the top of your photo or your video you can see three dots. Just tap on it. From here you can get the option link. If you want to copy that particular photo video link, just tap on that link option. That's it. Now the link was copied on your Android clipboard. So if you want to share this link, you can paste and share it to anyone on your Android device. So this is the very easy and very simple method to get link of your any photo and video on your Instagram in your device. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.